Hi, I'm Rob Praser, owner of All County Waterproofing. We're out in Kenilworth, New Jersey today, installing our interior water management system. Follow me and I'll show you how it works. What's happening behind me is we're removing all the old dirt and debris from your basement floor. This mud actually constricts the water flow. So what we do is we actually remove it and replace it with fresh, clean gravel. I want to show you how we kind of customize our sump pump pits. What we do is we actually drill weep holes or air holes into here. So what this does, when you push it down into the pit, the water can actually make ways into the pit through different angles. One of the benefits of choosing All County Waterproofing is we run 95% dustless. Here are some of the many ways that we do it. We use an electric rotary hammer. We also provide you with a negative air machine. During the cutting process, this machine is running and extracts the dust while we're working, therefore leaving your home dust-free. We are reinstalling a French drain system that was installed by another contractor that failed. Let me show you the reasons why it failed. There are no weep holes drilled in the bottom of this block. That's number one. Number two, it used a 3-inch PVC instead of 4. Number three, they didn't put any kind of fabric around this, and you can see this hard pan clay doesn't allow the water to pass through freely to get to the pump. Number four is this pipe right here. You can see it's not connected. There's no joining coupling. PVC comes in a 10-foot section and should always have a connection every 10 feet. One of the benefits here at All County is we actually pitch our trench bed. Let me show you our trench bed versus our competitor's trench bed. Take a look here. You'll notice it is approximately 1 foot down below the footing, 1 foot out. Okay? Number four, this allows for rapid water to get to the pump faster so it doesn't flood your basement. Let me show you the competitors. As you can see here, here's the floor, here's the pipe. You're talking maybe 2 to 3 inches below the slab. Okay? This allows for a cheaper installation. This is not a pitch system, so the water can never make it to our collection point. This is how our competitor's pipe comes into the sump pump pit. As you see here behind me, it's going in at the same height as the lid. Our pipe comes in at the bottom. Again, pitched 1 inch per 10 foot. Let me show you what we're removing from this basement floor. We're taking out the old clay, which other companies will actually put back in the trench. Here at All County, we replace that with clean gravel. Clean gravel acts as a natural filter, allowing the water to pass through freely and get to the sump pump faster. What we're doing here today is we're installing our poly drain system. This sits in front of the weep holes and runs across the footing on an L shape, just like this. So that way the water comes out of the wall, hits the drain board, and runs straight down into our pipe, which is pitched to the pump. All right. We're coming to the completion here of our interior water management system. As you can see, we just put a fresh layer of concrete. They're now floating the concrete over the old, so that way it secures. The drain board has been properly installed. I don't know what else to say. Ran out of words. There you go.